Here is how you activate the phones. iPhone 11 Pro Max, iPhone 11 Pro, iPhone 10, iPhone 7 Plus, you need to press it, iPhone 6s and iPhone 6. Here are the sizes. As you can see, I am switching from iPhone 7 Plus to iPhone 11 Pro Max. While I try to review the iPhone 11 Pro Max, I'm going to compare it with other phones here. 11 Pro Max and 11 Pro and 10s, they all have the Face ID unlock. There is no button here, but for the 7 Plus from which I'm switching, there is a button here, and 6s and 6 as well. So all these three has a thumbnail scanner here, and these phones here, they just unlock if you just show your face. As I'm switching from 7 Plus to 11 Max Pro, the differences are the only I'm missing this button. But I got used to this 11 Pro Max very easily in no time. I just took actually this one is easier than this one, because when you press this button, someone can hear if it's very quiet. But for this one, it just unlocks if you show your face. This one, Face ID scan, I just show my face here, it just unlocks in no time here. And this one doesn't have my Face ID, so I need to enter the ID. And this one also does not have my Face ID. And these three phones here, you need to unlock with the thumb scanner here. Once you unlock these phones, to go to home screen in this new OS, you just swipe it up like that. For this one you need to press. For this one also you need to press. For this one also you need to press. Other than that, the control center for the 11 Pro Max is from here. You need to swipe on the right here for even for 11. And for 10s also here. For older phones here, you need to swipe up for the control center. So to get away from control center, you just press somewhere here. Alright, once you are in the main screen here, opening apps is the same thing here. And let's open YouTube. For a common man, what we use, like we just use YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Maps, email and text messages. So they're all same here everywhere. The only difference if you're switching from older phones with the buttons here to the ones without buttons, the difference is just need to get used to, instead of pressing here to go to home screen, you just do that, which is way easier actually, way easier than pressing a button. No one can hear you. Someone can hear the button pressing here when you press in the night, when you're browsing under the blanket. Your spouse will hear the sounds here. No sounds here. You can sneak out and start browsing under the blanket without no one knowing. The only problem with this new phones without the buttons here compared to 7 Plus and the other older phones is that you can unlock these phones when they're lying down on the table like this, but these phones, the only way is to enter the passcodes if you cannot scan your face. Otherwise you need to just lift the phone at least 60 degrees for it to unlock. So that is one of the major difference I found as I switched from 7 Plus to here. So other than that, just unlock it here and press button here and control center here, control center here. Everything is same.
Save dollars, subscribe, show love.